Flowers Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is Schindler 3300 with FIGS. And it's not on this floor. And here it is. Padding for the panels over there with the floor. And here you go up. Here four. It's blue. And this floor's gutted. That's an interesting wood. And like spray foam and stuff, that's interesting. And, yeah, and it's still got laser foam. This will go back down to one. Here's your 88 foam. Yeah, this is like the indicator that's for the buttons. Basic gray cab underneath the padding. Glass cab. The floor's already a bit damaged. The music's coming from the third floor, I believe.